Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly, and today our topic is how to create Nuelink collection posts from Google Forms responses. So here my objective is that whenever I'm going to receive a new form submission or the new responses from my Google form with my post details, then automatically by using all these details, I'm going to create a new post and add that to my collection in Nuelink. So for my objective, I have to build a connection between Google Forms and Nuelink. So for building this connection, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing software for automation and integration. In Pabbly Connect, I need to use the concept of trigger and action. In trigger application, I'm going to use Google Forms. In action application, I'm going to use Nuelink. So how I'm going to build this connection? For that, let me take you to my computer screen. I hope all you can see my computer screen. And today we are going to see that how we can create Nuelink collection posts from Google Form responses. So suppose we have created a Google form and now we send this form to all our content creators, and whenever they get a new idea for creating a new post, then they can upload their post image or video in this form with all the required details, and automatically we are going to capture the response of this form and we are going to add a new post in our Nuelink collection. And all this is going to happen automatically, and now we can maintain, organize and schedule our social media posting. So for doing this automatically, what we are going to do is we are going to use Pabbly Connect, and with the help of Pabbly Connect, we are going to build this automation between Google Form and Nuelink. Now with the help of Pabbly Connect, we will build a connection between Google Forms and Nuelink, and that too without any coding and programming skills. So let's get started, and for using Pabbly Connect, we need to search for pabbly.com/connect in our browser, and it will take us to this landing page of Pabbly Connect. Here we have two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you don't have any account with Pabbly Connect, then you just have to click on this sign up for free button, and this will take only 2 minutes of your time and you will get 100 tasks free every month. Or if you already have an account, you can just sign in and you're going to see this page. So these are all the apps that Pabbly offers, and we are going to use Pabbly Connect here. For that, I need to click here on this Access Now button under Pabbly Connect, and this will direct us to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here we need to create a new workflow. For that, I'm going to click here on this Create Workflow button, and this window will pop up. Now here I need to name my workflow, so I'm going to name it as my objective, which is to create Nuelink collection posts from Google Forms responses. And now I need to select the folder where I want to save my workflow, so I'm going to open this tab, and in this tab I will find all the folders that I have created in my Pabbly Connect account. And I'm going to use this particular folder of Google Forms. So I'm going to select this and I need to click on create. And it will take us to this window. So this is the window of our workflow, and here we have two boxes, trigger and action. So these are the two main principles on which our workflow works on. And trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So trigger is going to be the first step that will get executed in our workflow, and action will just follow that. So we need to set up our trigger first, and here my trigger application is going to be Google Forms. So I need to select Google Forms here. And now I need to give a trigger event. So I'm going to open this tab, and new response received will be my trigger event. So I'm going to select this. And now what I need to do is I need to connect Google Forms with Pabbly Connect in my workflow. And for that, I need to use this webhook URL. And this webhook URL is going to work as a bridge between Google Forms and Pabbly Connect. Now for connecting these two applications, I need to follow all these instructions. And first I need to copy this webhook URL. Now I will take you to my Google form. And here I'm going to use this particular Google form of Nuelink posts. And all the responses that I'm going to have in this particular form is automatically going to add in a particular spreadsheet in Google Sheets. So I'm going to take you to that particular spreadsheet. So here this is my spreadsheet, which is named as Nuelink post responses. So all the responses that I'm going to receive from my Google form is going to add in this particular spreadsheet, and I'm going to get all the detail of that form submission. So here what I need to do is I need to connect this particular spreadsheet with Pabbly Connect, and for that I need to go to extensions, and I need this particular extension of Pabbly Connect webhooks. So if you don't have this particular extension, then what you need to do is you need to go to add-ons. Now you need to click on get add-ons. And this will take us to Google Workspace Marketplace. Here we need to search for our extension, and our extension name is Pabbly Connect Webhooks. I'm going to open this, and here we will see our extension like this. So we need to install this particular extension, and I have already installed this. So I'm going to close this. And now after installing this extension, what we need to do is we need to first refresh our spreadsheet. And now I will go back to extensions. I need to go to my extension of Pabbly Connect Webhooks. And here I'm going to open initial setup. Now with initial setup, I'm going to connect this sheet, that is form responses 1, and the spreadsheet Nuelink post with Pabbly Connect. So here for connecting, I need to give a webhook URL and the trigger column. So here I'm going to paste that webhook URL that I have copied from Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to paste that here. And now I need to give a trigger column. So the trigger column will be your final data column, on which if the data is added, the whole of that row data will be sent to the webhook URL. So here in my spreadsheet, I have this last data entry column, that is column F. And as the data will be filled in this particular column, then automatically the data of that whole row will be sent to Pabbly Connect. So here I'm going to give my trigger column, and that is column F. And now what I need to do is I need to click on submit. And my setup is configured successfully. Now what I need to do is I need to close this. And here what I want is that whenever I'm going to receive a new response from Google Form, then automatically all those details of the form submission is going to add in new rows in my spreadsheet. So as the new rows will be filled with my Google Form responses, then automatically that row data should be sent to Pabbly Connect. So for that, I need to go to extensions. I need to go back to Pabbly Connect Webhook, and here I need to enable this option of send on event. So after enabling this option, what is going to happen is that as a new row will be filled with the new form response, then automatically the detail of that row will be sent to webhook URL. Now here what I need to do is I need to go back to Pabbly Connect. And here in Pabbly Connect, we can see it is waiting for webhook response. So how I'm going to get this webhook response? For that, I need to create a new form submission in my Google Form. So for this, let me take you to Google Forms. I'm going to preview this form. So here, this is my Nuelink post form. So I need to fill all these details here, and here I need to, so here I'm going to fill all these details with my dummy details. So first I need to give a name. So my name will be demo user. I need to give an email. So my email will be demo@pabblytudes.com. And now I'm going to give the title of my post. So here my title will be Majestic Mountain Lake. And now I need to give the caption for my post. So here I'm going to give my caption. And here this is going to be my caption, that is, immerse yourself in the serene beauty of this mountain lake, where the crystal clear water mirrors the surrounding peaks and lush greenery, a perfect escape into nature's tranquility. So this is going to be my caption, and now what I need to do is I need to upload my file that I want to create as a post. So I'm going to click on this add file button. I'm going to browse my file, and I'm going to select the file that I want to upload. So I'm going to select this. And here I have uploaded my file. Now what I need to do is I need to click on submit. And here I have successfully created this form submission. Now what I need to do is I need to go back to Pabbly Connect. And here in Pabbly Connect, we can see I have received this response. So in this response, I have the link of my file that I have uploaded in my form. Also in this, I have the title of my post, that is Majestic Mountain Lake. I also have the caption for my post. And here I have the detail of my user that has filled this form. So I have the name, that is demo user, email is demo@pabblytudes.com. So here we can see that I have received all these details from my form submission, and in this form submission detail, I have all the detail of my post that I want to add in my collection in Nuelink. So for that, what I need to do is I need to scroll down and I need to set up my actions tab. So I'm going to open this tab, and here my action application is going to be Nuelink. So I'm going to select Nuelink here, and now I need to give an action event. So I'm going to open this tab, and add post to collection will be my action event. So I'm going to select this, and I'm going to connect Nuelink with Pabbly Connect. So I'll click here on connect. I will click on add new connection, and I will connect with Nuelink. Now here I have already selected my brand, and I only have one brand, that is of Pabbly team. Now what I need to do is I need to give the authorization to my collection. So I'm going to open this tab, and I'm going to use this collection of general, and now I'm going to give access to my collection. So I'm going to click here, and here my connection is successful. Now here what I need to do is I need to fill all these details to add a new post in my collection in Nuelink. So I need the caption, media, and the title for my post. So I have received all these details from my form submission of Google Form. So what I need to do is I need to use all those response and I need to map those details here to create a new post. So for that I need to use mapping. And what mapping is a technique through which I can retrieve the data from the previous steps, and the data that is changing will get replaced with the new data in the real time. So for mapping I need to click here. I will open this response of Google Forms. And here this is the caption of my post. So I'm going to map this. Now I need to give the media URL of my post. So I'm going to click here. I will open this response of Google Forms. And here this is the media URL of my file. So I'm going to map this. Also I'm going to give the title for my post. So I'm going to click here. I'm going to open this response of Google Forms. And here this is my title. So I'm going to map this. And now I have these two options of share to feed as Instagram Reel or post as short. So if I want to post only Instagram Reels or YouTube Shorts, then I can use these options and I can fill these tabs. So here, if I want to post as Instagram Reel, then I have to enter 1 as yes. And if I want to post a YouTube Short, then I need to fill this tab. So here I have filled all the required details and I have mapped these details. Now as I have mapped these details, I have made these details dynamic. Now what is going to happen is that as I'm going to receive a new form response from Google Form, then automatically I'm going to receive a new responses. So as I'm going to receive the new response, then automatically all these details are going to get replaced and I'm going to receive new details in real time. Now I need to scroll down and I need to click on Save and Send Test Request button. And here we can see I have received this response. So this is a positive response and I have the response of success. So this means that I have created a new post in my Nuelink collection. Now to check this, let me take you to Nuelink. And here in Nuelink, I will go to collections. And in collection, I'm using this collection of general. So I'm going to open this. And in this collection, we can see I have created this new post. So I have added this post in my Nuelink collection and I'm going to open this. So this is my post and this is the image that I've uploaded on my Google Form. And in this is my caption. So my caption is, immerse yourself in the serene beauty of this mountain lake where the crystal clear waters mirror the surrounding peaks and lush greenery. A perfect escape into nature's tranquility. And these are my hashtags. So I had this caption in my Google Form response. So here I have used my Google Form response and I have used that response automatically to add a new post in my Nuelink collection. So here my connection between Google Form and Nuelink is working successfully. And now whenever I'm going to receive a new form submission from Google Form, then automatically I'm going to add a new post in my Nuelink collection. Now to check this, let me take you to Google Form and I'm going to preview this form one more time. So again, I'm going to fill this form. So now I'm going to give my name. So my name will be test user. Email will be test@pabblytudes.com. Now I'm going to give the title of my post. So Nature Splendor is going to be the title of my post. And now I need to give the caption. So here my caption will be this. So here this is going to be my caption. And now what I need to do is I need to upload the file of my post. So I'm going to add file. And here I have uploaded my file. Now what I need to do is I need to click on submit. And here I have created this new form submission with my post detail. Now what should happen is that automatically by using this form submission detail, a new post should be added in my collection in Nuelink. Now to check this, let me take you to Nuelink. And I'm going to close this and I will refresh. And now in this page, we can see I have added this new post. So I'm going to open this. And here this is my post and this is the caption. So here we can see I have just uploaded this file and this caption in my form submission of Google Form. And automatically by using that detail, I have created a new post in my collection in Nuelink. So here my connection and this automation between Google Forms and Nuelink is working successfully. Now, whenever I'm going to receive a new form submission from Google Form, then automatically I'm going to add a new post in my collection in Nuelink. So let's go back to Pabbly Connect. And here I've created this connection and automation between Google Forms and Nuelink to create Nuelink collection posts from Google Form responses. So let's summarize what we did here. So first I've set up my trigger and my trigger application was Google Forms and my trigger event was new response received. Then I've set up my action step and my action application was Nuelink and my action event was add post to collection. So this is how I have successfully created this workflow, and you can also create this workflow by following all the steps that I did in my workflow. And I'm also going to put the link of my workflow in the description so you can check it out from there, and thank you for watching this video. Not just these applications, you can automate and integrate a lot more applications like this by using Pabbly Connect. So if you want to reach out to us, then email us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any queries, then you can write us at forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any issue with the pricing, then you can visit this link. And if you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.